very shy, doesn't see humans as food, and doesn't want to eat you. He wants to be left alone.
So you have to be selective where you jump in the water.
Well, not really. They don't want nothing to do with you. There's crocs all over down through Key Largo and through the Keys, and people are swimming in there all the time. If they were aggressive, there'd be somebody getting eaten every day.
Oh yeah.
Hello.
Oh, it's pretty.
Are you expecting food?
I hear that's a problem is the pythons.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's right, because they're
not indigenous.
they're not indigenous. Yeah.
Hey, look at those fish.
They're eating the alligators. They're eating everything,
Yeah.
and they're huge.
Yeah.
17 and a half foot long.
Yeah.
Look, Max. Ilya. Little snake.
Whoa.
I know you're here. You're my friend, right?
Green again.
Yeah.
This thing's usually crystal clear. There must be a bunch of gators moved in here.
Oh.
Kicking up the mud.
Yep,
Yeah.
it's muddy.
Yeah.
Lurking in
There's
the
two
mud.
rings over there, but that's probably
Yeah.
fish.
It's all trees. And on the south end, it kind of just fades off into the grass to nothing. Before GPS or any of that, before there was a lot of lights and towers that you can see in town, the guys that come out here on airboats, that's the way they navigate.
Yeah.
Oh,
They could tell north from south just by looking at the islands.
Uh-huh.
As you get out here on a day, it gets a little bit foggy or overcast or rainy, and you can't see very far, you can get turned around real quick.
I bet.
It all looks a lot alike. Tastes a little bit like lettuce, a little bit of ranch dressing, it'd be
really?
a lot better.
Did you bring some?
No, but that piece there, like I said, it's kind of old and right now because it's nesting season.
You see that one?
Yeah.
All these females are going
The
to
guy
nest.
there.
Yeah.
Just floating along.
La-da-dee.
Birds. They pick a single little bush out here somewhere and they nest. But this year was the first time I noticed a lot of the babies disappeared before they could fly.
Yeah.
Normally that hasn't happened. Even out in the bush, you know, I'd have some spots.
Yeah.
This year, just about the time they got up about half the size they should have been able to fly, they were just gone, out of the nest and gone.
That's a shame.
It is. I saw it on Channel 7 News a day or two ago. They found a monitor lizard somewhere.
Hi. How are you?
They've made him a hole. It's, like I say, it's probably about chest deep in the middle in there. And then he's got the gator that's been staying here. I don't know if he's here now or not, but he's got a spot made up under the bank over there that he can go into a cave. That's how they go in and hide.
That might just be where he's at.
Might be. He usually pops up though after a second or two if he's here. Sometimes he'll come all the way out by the boat. He's a big one.
Yeah.
My own stuff.
You got to say that again for me. So you guys are using a Lycoming. That is cool.
Yeah, I'm still running a Lycoming. It's about 300 horsepower.
Yeah.
The car motors have more horsepower, but they're not nearly as, the longevity isn't there.
Yeah.
These guys go through a motor a year. I built this motor in 2011. I probably got over 2,000 hours on it. And it's tired. It needs to be freshened up.
But it does okay, and
But
you
it does
trust
fine.
it. Yeah.
Yeah. No, I trust it completely.
Yeah.
But they're so easy to work on once you get the hang of them.
Yeah.
You know, I just built one for another boy out here that's got a car motor boat, but he's also got an aircraft engine on his front boat.
Oh.
And I just rebuilt it and put it back on his boat last night.
Okay.
But that's where I've been the last couple of weeks. I haven't been out here. I've been at the shop working,
Oh, very cool.
building boats.